Alright, hello everyone to the first video on the Mio VA channel that is not related to some stupid ASMR or like voice acting thing. But anyways, you came here to learn how to do voice acting in the year 2025. So I'm going to say this right now, I'm not a professional, I'm like an amateur on the lowest, almost lowest level of amateur. I've done a few things for free on a site I'll tell you about in a second, and I've done like two things on Fiverr for a total of like $49. Not a lot of money, but hey, money is money. So you could do this as a side job, or what I want to do in the future is do this as full time. But we're not there yet. So I'm going to teach you how to get started, how I got started, and maybe make it farther than me. We'll find out right now. So first of all, what you're going to need is, the equipment, which you don't need the best of the best. I do have something really good right now, but I was given that. I didn't have to buy it. But beforehand, I had a Blue Snowball for around 5 years, and that thing has lasted me really well. You could even use your phone microphone to start out voice acting with. Go under a blanket or something, and easy, soundproofed area. This is literally just mattress foam. I don't even have the fancy soundproof towels, and it works perfectly fine. And even if you can't get all that, just use something like Voicemeeter and it'll cut out all the background noise. Or do it manually. There's lots of ways to get rid of background noise. So, anyways, after you have your soundproofed room and your fancy smanchy microphone, you go over to your browser that everybody has, free if you have even a phone, and look up Casting Call Club. This right here is where you're going to start out, and you're going to be here for a while, just growing in whatever the word is, popularity. Not popularity, I had a fancier word for it, but it's gone from me now. So when you get in here, of course you're going to have to make an account, sign in and everything, and then it's going to ask you to what you want to be. And since you're on this video, you're probably going to want to be a voice actor. So you're going to press voice actor, and then you're going to put in all this stuff here. Look, that's my tagline description. I don't know. And then there's my big description, demonstrations of my voice description on the right, skills and interests, equipment. And then, once you get all that stuff in, you're going to want to go over to open projects. And you're going to see all this stuff here. Look at the number of submissions, first of all. 387. That's a lot. That is a lot of submissions already. And I've heard from reputable sources, that after around 25 submissions, they don't look at any more. They just do with what they got right there. And if they find something in there, then good. If they don't, then maybe they'll look for more. Because you see, that's a lot. I bet number 294 isn't getting chosen out of those 387. So, if you want to find ones that you might actually get a chance to get a role in, then you're going to go over here. You're going to go show advanced filters. You're going to choose out all this stuff in here with your voice description, accent, voice age and gender, software, hardware. Just avoid all that stuff that you can look in their own description. And then, save this search. Go over to save searches on the bottom left. This one I have named Reel. And then once it loads in, look at that. Brand new projects. Fresh off the lot. How long has this one been here? It was listed maybe an hour ago. Because I'm recording this on the 9th, and it said this was put up on the 10th. So that means I don't even know. They're in another time zone. That's what I know. But look, brand new, 0 of everything. And if you're the first person to submit, that's a good thing. Because a lot of people want people who go towards the action, who are on the offense. Because it shows that you want this role. So, you see this here? I could just apply by going to apply audition. But first, look at the project overview and see what they want. This one really doesn't have a lot of help. Oh, okay, there we go. Look, it says Samuel Male, 22-year-old male from Southern England. His accent is not too heavy. Think Orlando Bloom type. I don't know who that is. But it says language, English. Voice description, English, British. Male, young adult. Calm Orlando Bloom. I'll have to look that up later. And these 3 lines right here are what you're going to rehearse. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. I'm in need of directions. I'm sorry for your husband. But I have to get there. Someone important has been taken away from me by a troll. Please, sir, anything you can tell me will help. That wasn't my best. But it would work, maybe. If this person doesn't get any other people, they might be desperate. And you, as a brand new person, would love to have desperate people. So, you could press apply audition, go make it all up in Audacity or whatever you have. Even, if you have an iPhone, GarageBand is perfect, and you'll be using that all throughout your career because it's amazing. I don't have an iPhone, so that sucks. On my Windows laptop right here, I have Audacity. Look up Audacity. Just watch a quick tutorial on that. All you do is press R to record, stop the recording, boom, done. Okay, and then you go to apply. I hope this doesn't take me too far. And then click or drop your audio file, put your thingy, probably put your Discord. Make sure, I almost forgot to say this, take around, it's called AAABBBCC. I forgot what it's called. But take 3 takes of everything. So, and try and make them a little bit different every single time, but keep the same idea about them so that people can see your range. And maybe if you messed up on the first one, maybe they're going to be like, oh, that second one is really good. And it really just helps you at getting chosen more often. And it shows that you want this job even more. So once you do that, drop your file, name it. Oh, well, you don't have to name it. Just put a description and probably put your Discord in there. Even if it doesn't ask for it, it just makes things a lot easier. And then upload, and it will tell you later on if you got chosen for the role. And it makes everything so smooth. You're not going to get paid for it yet. There are projects on here that are paid, but those are usually reserved for people who have done a lot of jobs and are really good at this. So, now that you know all this information, I hope you take it to becoming a voice actor of your own, and hope our AI overlords don't take over us as well as they already are the artists. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video on the Mio VA channel. I appreciate you being here. Like and subscribe. Adios.